Now we completed the 16th International Heating, Ventilating, Air Conditioning and Refrigeration Technologies Symposium organized by TTMD, Turkish Heating, Ventilating, Air Conditioning, Refrigeration and Sanitary Engineers Association. It's my honor to speak on behalf of the organizing committee on this closing session. This is not an end, but instead a start for the 17th International Symposium to be organized by TTMD. We hope these 3 days can give the answers to the questions in our minds and each of us can reach whatever we have aimed beforehand. Thanks again to the invited speakers and to the presenters for their contribution. We have learned very much from them all. Now it is time to thank to the TTMD President, Mrs. Nermin Köroglu Isın, and to the board members for their support and confidence in the organizing and scientific committees of this symposium. I want to thank to the chair of the scientific committee, Professor Ahmet Arısoy, for his continuous support and strong belief in efforts of all members in the team. I want to thank to Dr. Murat Çakan for being the main chair of all sessions very successfully. I have a message to the symposium contact, Ms. Pınar Kopuz. We all thank you for the great job you have done and you are still doing on the now at the backstage. I have a message to everybody with us now. Please send all your comments to the email addresses given at symposium website. We all hope to see you at 17th International Symposium to be organized by TTMD. Stay safe. Goodbye.
Thank you, Tuba. This was very kind of you to have good remarks about me. This is all your work. Thank you very much. Distinguished guests, esteemed colleagues, and valued participants, as we bring the 16th Symposium of TTMD to an end, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to each one of you for your invaluable contributions over the past few days. Your participation, insightful presentations, and enthusiastic discussions have made the symposium a great success. I would like to extend my deepest appreciation to our speakers for sharing their expertise and thought-provoking ideas, which have certainly enriched our understanding of the latest improvements and challenges in the HVAC industry. A special thank you goes to our organizing committee, Ms. Tuba Altıok, Dr. Murat Çakan, and Professor Ahmet Arısoy, whose tireless efforts and support have ensured that this event ran smoothly and achieved its goals. Well, looking ahead, I want to reaffirm TTMD's commitment to support the growth and development of our members and the HVAC industry as a whole. We will continue to provide platforms for learning, research, and network through events, training programs, and publications. I encourage you all stay engaged with TTMD. Please share your ideas with us and contribute to the initiatives that will shape our collective future. Thank you very much to all of you. I leave the word to you, Mr. Murat Çakan.
Thank you very much. I ask your pardon for the inconvenience. My screen was frozen. And I'm afraid I have to start from the beginning. Now we have come to the end of the symposium. We listened to more than 20 presentations over 3 days. As the program chair, I am pleased to say that more than 500 participants registered for our symposium. Studies on the energy performance of buildings, which have been concentrated within the EU since the early 2000s, have undergone a paradigm change in recent years and have expanded to include embodied energy and carbon emissions. That is why As the organizing committee, we focused on embodied energy and carbon emissions as the main theme of our 16th symposium. I would like to thank first our invited speakers and panelists who made our symposium even more valuable. They enabled us to gain first-hand knowledge of their areas of expertise. History shows us that development is the average product of a collective effort. In other words, the wall is being built with the bricks carried by everyone working on the subject. Unfortunately, just as we have prepared together the point the world has reached, it will be our collective consciousness and challenge that will take it out of this ruined situation. The things we rely on for this are our diligence, knowledge, and spirit of solidarity. The researchers who made presentations over 3 days talked about their efforts to solve problems in their fields. It was noteworthy that among the presentations on the first day, deficiencies in indoor environmental quality metrics were mentioned, and the impact of the circular economy on sustainability was reminded. Solutions to problems related to global climate change and warming due to anthropogenic activities were discussed. Another study on the first day was on the importance of latent energy storage. We once again remembered that our country, which is rich in solar energy, has a lot of work to do in this field. On the second day of the symposium, there were 12 speakers in our program. It doesn't seem possible to summarize all of these here. However, sector coupling was a prominent issue among the topics discussed. Another issue was the techno-economic problems brought by the rapid development of data centers, artificial intelligence, and crypto mining to the cooling energy requirements. It has been explained by different researchers that the use of renewable energy directly or by storing it is as important as increasing the efficiency of heat exchangers of all sizes. Today, we listened to 4 presentations on mitigation of carbon footprint of various types of buildings. Presentations today and past days had an inherent message. In my opinion, this message was that the building form and climatic conditions can offer integrated solutions together with the mechanical systems that serve the building. As a result, I think that the 16th symposium organized by TTMD this year has broadened all of our horizons and enriched our knowledge. I have no doubt that with all the values and knowledge we have acquired, we will continue to work for a more sustainable life without compromising the minimum comfort that befits human beings and without tiring our world even more. And with that, I leave the floor to Mrs. Altıok to say a few final words. Bye-bye.
Yeah, actually, goodbye to everybody. Thank you for attending.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.